Hi, my name is Stephen McGee and I am the author of Toxic Light. I'm here today to show you what happens to an AM radio during a thunderstorm. Now we have a lot of lightning taking place and it's very windy and wet outside, and if you tune an AM radio into static then you can hear the lightning strikes. So we have a simple AM radio right here, and we're going to switch it on and listen to it just for about a minute, and all the noise coming through on the AM radio will be lightning strikes. So here goes. So there you have it. During lightning storms there's a lot of electrical activity that can be picked up on the AM band. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Thank you.